Hi, everybody. Just a quick little tutorial or video on how to join your teacher's Google Classroom um, by the link that your teacher will post in your Edsby. So here's an example of a student or parent who's logged into Edsby. And under recent activity, you'll see recent activity from the teacher or teachers from all of your classes. You'll need to find the class for your student or yourself. And then at the top of the page, there'll be a message from your teacher with a link to join Google Classroom. So if you click on this link, it will bring you to another window, and it'll ask you to sign in with your child's username or your own username and password for Google. So it'll be in the format of your first name, last name, npscschools.ca, and the password will be provided to you by your teacher as well. Once you've logged into Google, it'll prompt you with this screen, and it'll ask you to join the class. And then once you do that, you will then be into your child's or your own Google Classroom. Hope that helps.